Welcome back everyone. I'm Kamal Sehgal studio watching the series Plants in My Balcony. In today's video we are going to show you a very good product. हम हमेशा बात करते हैं organic living or sustainable living, organic products, organic fertilizers, but the most important thing that we always talk about plants is manures. And what is the simplest way to make a manure in your own homes using the garbage which is generated every day from our home is a khamba. So we are here at Vasant Kunj with Sir, who's going to show us how to use the khamba, what is its importance, how can we actually convert our everyday waste into something more useful, which I always say it is a green gold. We are here today with Mr. Pradeep Chadda, who's from Delhi Dump, and his company is basically the North India distributor for these khamba. The company is called as Vitama Solution. So over to you, sir, so that we can learn from you better that how can we use them.
Good afternoon. My name is Pradeep Chadda. We have got different type of home composters, all terracotta. This is called khamba. It has got 3 pots, 2 pots with the net and 1 is the base. First we fill it on the top. We make sandwich. We put cocoa peat at the bottom. Then we take out the your daily waste, and then we again put micro cocoa peat. That cocoa peat is consists of microbes and the compost. And we make sandwich. Daily we make sandwich. Once this top one is full, then we shift A to the B, and B will come on the top. Then we will do the process of B the same way. Then both are full, then A we will empty at the C at the bottom, and then again A will come on the top. When all the 3 are full, by the day 35 to 40 days your base pot will be ready with the black gold. That is our compost generated from our home waste. This is the one. This is the second one. It is called Mota Lota. Process is the same.
It's just so that there is a difference in shape.
Yeah, difference is the shape.
Okay.
The process is the same for everything. And this is called for the small family, where they are generating only 250 to 300 grams per day. This is for the family of 4 to 5 people. And this is again the small khamba. And this is the third portion. Third pot is leave it pot. Where you have got a garden, you can put it 2 pots side by side. Again the process for everything will be the same. You have to make a sandwich, cocoa peat, waste, cocoa peat. And here you don't have to shift the pot.
So what is the purpose of using cocoa peat in manure making?
Because cocoa peat is
Will it absorb water?
absorb water.
Absorb
Because
water.
our waste contains 70% of the water.
What?
Let me see कौन सा वाला तैयार है इनका. 1 minute. ये तैयार है. This compost is almost ready. इसको हटाइएगा. This is almost ready. ये बहुत एक्सपर्ट है ये सलोनी. ये भी तैयार हो गया. इसको खाली नहीं, अभी ये भरा है. अभी इसको खाली करेंगे 2 को, फिर ये उसमें लगाएंगे.
So in a small way, so has just told us that how we can convert the everyday waste of fruits and vegetable peels, all the organic stuff, even including papers.
No, not paper at the bottom we put it. Even your cooked food also we can put it.
Okay, so even the cooked food can be put into these containers, which can decompose, of course, by the anaerobic respiration, which happens through bacteria. And ये जो pots हैं, they are beautifully looking, so you don't have to hide it somewhere in the corner of your house. You can put it like directly into your terrace garden, जो मैं हमेशा promote करती हूँ, तो वहाँ पे किसी भी corner में हम रख दें. 2 purposes will be solved. एक तो हमें manure मिल जाएगी अपने plants के लिए, because हमने कुछ भी chemical नहीं use करना. And second, whatever waste we are generated in our home, that will also be reduced. Sir is located in Vasant Kunj. I would be sharing the phone number and the description in the description links, so you can contact him for the eco living, green living, sustainable living. And of course I would like to add that 10% discount is going on as a Diwali offer. So if you want to upgrade your house, decorate your house with the Mother Earth, this is the time. Go for it. At least one khamba every home should have like this Diwali.